Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing. Today's topic is all about minute ventilation.
Before entering into this session, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Let's get into the topic. These are the learning objectives we will be discussing in the session. Let's begin our session. What is minute ventilation? Minute ventilation, also called minute volume, which we term in short as VE, is nothing but the total volume of air inhaled or exhaled from a person's lungs in 1 minute. This is essentially the big picture of breathing. While tidal volume is about one breath, whereas minute ventilation is about the total work done over a full minute. For example, if tidal volume is the size of each step you take, minute ventilation is the distance you walk in a minute. Minute ventilation normally ranges between 5 to 8 liters per minute at rest. Now, let's see how do we calculate minute ventilation. It is calculated through a simple formula, tidal volume multiplied by respiratory rate, which gives the minute ventilation. Let's do it with an example. Here, the monitor displays tidal volume of 500 ml and respiratory rate of 16 breaths per minute. So we calculate minute ventilation by multiplying tidal volume into respiratory rate, which will be 500 ml multiplied by 16. This gives 8000 ml. So by converting this 8000 ml to liters, we get 8 liters per minute, which is the minute ventilation. Now comes minute ventilation in the ventilator. Minute ventilation changes automatically when we set the respiratory rate and tidal volume in the ventilator settings. For example, if a doctor wants a minute volume of 7 liters per minute for a patient, as we know, the minute ventilation formula is equal to tidal volume multiplied by respiratory rate. Choose a tidal volume of 500 ml, which is normal for an adult. Here we calculate respiratory rate by a simple conversion of 7 liters to 7000 ml divided by 500 of tidal volume, which gives 14 breaths per minute. So we achieve a minute ventilation of 7 liters by setting tidal volume at 500 ml and respiratory rate at 14 breaths per minute. On a ventilator, minute ventilation is used to regulate the patient's pH and carbon dioxide levels. If a patient has high CO2, respiratory acidosis, the ventilator's minute ventilation is increased by raising the respiratory rate and tidal volume to blow off more carbon dioxide. Whereas, if a patient has low CO2, that is respiratory alkalosis, the ventilator's minute ventilation is decreased by lowering the respiratory rate or tidal volume in order to retain the CO2 levels. Here are a few questions for your practice. First one is, if a doctor wants a minute ventilation of 6 liters per minute for a patient and tidal volume is 500 ml, calculate the respiratory rate. Second question is, find the minute ventilation. Here the monitor shows the readings for your reference. You can do the calculations and mention the answers on the comment box. So here we go with minute ventilation in mechanical ventilation. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notification. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.